Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I am bringing you my September BoxyCharm unboxing, you guys. I love this one product in this box. I just want to tell you guys which one it is, but you guys have to watch the video to find out. I used the products in this box to create the eyes and other stuff on my face. I don't want to give it away. So if you guys are loving what you're seeing so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of the videos that I'm going to be uploading here on our channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this eyes, you guys want to see this amazing product in this box, and you want to know which products I have in my September BoxyCharm, then just keep on watching. The theme for this month is all access. This is what our card looks like, and at the back it gives you all the details, information, pricing of all the products that you will get in your box. I have just a regular BoxyCharm. I did upgrade a while back, but I downgraded to just a regular box. I think this box is plenty enough for me, so we are going to be just doing the regular BoxyCharm unboxing. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start. In this month's box, they did put a brow product. Let's see. Yes, this is the Billion. Which one is it? That's this one right here. This is a $1 billion brow. It says the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or creates natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. And this is dark. Let's see. Oh, I've always wanted to try this type of brow pen. Can you see that? It says dark brown. It says dark, not dark brown. It says dark brown. I'm sure you can build up the color. We will see right now. So you guys, it's like the product won't like stay right there, and when I brush the hair up, you know, just to kind of blend all the products, it just kind of crumbles and it falls apart. So this product is not for me. I will definitely use the pen for the front to get that the hair-like stroke, right? You guys, I know my brows are not perfect, but I like it how it is. One thing I want to say about this though is it is definitely will stay all day. I couldn't really take off the ones that I applied right here. I definitely went a little heavy-handed, so it's a little darker over here than I would like. So I just left it alone and I used my ABH to do the rest. But I'll definitely try this again, but not today. Let's move on to the next two products in this box. They come hand in hand. So we have a palette and a brush set. This brush set right here is 5-piece deluxe eye kit, and this is from MODA Pro. This is by Royal and Langnickel. We received brushes from them before and I love them. I love their brushes. I love the handle. You know, I love the softness of their brushes. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. I love the handle of these brushes. It's the same with the the other brush that I received before. It's like a rubbery feel to it. It's really nice. It gives you a good grip on your brush. So these are the 5 brushes that we have. We can definitely use this in today's look. This brushes is definitely going to come in handy with our next product in the box, which is a palette. You guys, I love receiving palette. This is from Voss. This is their Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Packaging is really cute. And then you have a mirror. And these are the shades in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you now. So I'm going to go from the top and then we'll do bottom. You guys, these are the swatches for this palette. It just definitely gives you like the fall, like just Christmas season. I really like this palette. You have everything that you need in this palette for holiday looks for sure, so I'm excited to use this. Like I said, they all swatch really good. I'm gonna go ahead and create something for you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. If you guys have any question with anything that I put on my eyes, just ask me in the comment section so the video is not too long. I've already prepped my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some tape because we do have an eyeliner in this box and I can't do my wing without like guide, so we're gonna go ahead and use a tape, so all our looks are all going up this way. You guys, the shimmer definitely made me work for it. I had to really pack it on there, and also I had to wet my brush a few times to get that vibrancy that I like. So what I've been doing a lot lately with my cut crease, you probably see it in the past few looks that I posted or did in this channel. I've been cleaning up the crease right here with concealer, and I just applied the lightest shade in the palette just to give us that very noticeable cut right here. So that's what I've been doing. I just used this one right here to just align that cut right there, and I really like it. I've been enjoying that a lot. That's it for now. We'll go back to the lower in a minute, but let's go ahead and move on to the next thing in the box. This is from Hank and Henry. This is Blickity Black Eyeliner. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. Blickity Black. It says, introducing our latest addition to the Slick with its line of eye products. It says, our eyeliner is vegan, liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. It says that this formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Oh, thank you for considering us hooded human. I'm really excited to try this. The test for me is if it will go over my eyelid tape right there. Can you guys see that I applied an eyelid tape right there because my lids are hooded and uneven, so I kind of have to even them out. Let's go ahead and start. Let's see what it looks like inside. So you have a kind of felt tip right here. So like I said, it depends on the pressure that you put on your eyeliner. You can create a thick line like that, or you can just barely touch it and you can create a very thin line. My wings are getting thicker and thicker. I am so in love with this this eyeliner, you guys. Let me tell you why. Because it just went over my tape so good that you can't really see the tape at all. It covered my tape, so I really like that. And also the tip is so tiny that I can really get into like the edges right here, because I have a lot of creases on my lids as well. I know I'm so lucky to have all these things that I have to kind of accommodate when I'm doing my makeup, but I need something that is really small and tiny that will help me get that edges right there. And also a big test for me is because I have watery eyes also, so most of the time when I apply gel liner, it will just bleed through it, like it will just bleed everywhere right here. That's why sometimes when you see my lashes, it has a lot of products, because I do have to go over the shadow, because it will, you know, like my tears will just take all that stuff off and I have to put it back on. And you know, I have my lashes already, so most of the times you guys will see like products on the, like the tip of my lashes. That is why. I think this is the first time I create a wing that is somewhat even, so I really like that. Before I apply my lashes and the lippies, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go back into our palettes, taking the angled brush, and we are gonna take this one right here, and we are gonna apply that as close as we can to our lower lash. And then I'm just gonna dip into this one with the grease brush, and we are gonna really smudge that color in there. Guys, for the lippies, I use my Gerard Cosmetics combos right here. So for the lip pencil, I use Immortal. This is their Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the 90210. You guys love the combination. For the highlight, I use this shade right here. You guys, this is what I have on as a highlight. And you guys, it is really pretty, so you don't have to buy any other highlight. You don't have to use other highlight outside this palette, because you can definitely just use this highlight right here, and it is really pretty on the skin. You would think because sometimes it's shadow, then it would kind of just sit on top of your skin, or it's a little like chunky, but it's not. It just kind of melted into my skin. So you guys, this is, oh wait, no, what, we're not done. Okay, one more thing. You guys, I almost forgot, we have one more product in the box, which is a mask. This is Hydra Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is a sleeping mask, that's why I didn't use it. I will definitely use it tonight. I will let you know in the description below if I liked it or not. It says it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. You guys, I don't ever have problems with masks. I think all mask has ingredients in it that's really good for your skin, so I really do enjoy mask, anything cleanser. And Dr. Brandt, they are very well known for their skincare products, so definitely excited to try this. Let's open it. It's a squeezy tube. Ooh, that is really cooling already. It just touched my skin and it's definitely cooling right away, and it's kind of have like a gel feel to it, so that's really nice on the skin. I really like that. I can't wait to try that tonight. And let's see how much that product is. And that mask is $52. That is everything in our September BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that I have on my face that you have a question about, just ask me in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you guys. Let me tell you which one is my favorite. Usually I would just right away, hands down, would pick palette, because I just love my eyeshadow palette. You cannot go wrong with palettes, you guys. I just love my eyeshadows. But in this box, you guys, I am so in love with my eyeliner. Usually I would have like liner bleeding right there, and you can sometimes see it when, you know, I do my videos and I do wing liner and whatnot. You can sometimes see it right there. It's like bleeding through all like little folds that I have on the corner. This time it didn't, you guys. It just stayed still. I really enjoy that. Definitely my favorite is this one right here, Hank and Henry. Pick it up. This is, how much is this one? This is $20. It is worth it. This is something that I would definitely repurchase, especially with hooded lids and just all sorts of problems that I have on my eyelid. This is definitely game changing for me because I can now take my eyeliner really close to like the tear duct and stuff, and I can just don't worry about it. And you know what I forgot is the inner corner highlight, so we are gonna do that right now. I can't believe I forgot. We're just gonna use the same highlighter right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my brush, and then we are just gonna dip into that, really load up our brush. Ooh, you guys, I am feeling that. Look at that. When you wet your brush, you guys, it just gives you so much payoff. So thank you guys for watching. Everything that you need to know about this box, everything that I use on my face is going to be in the description below, so check that out. You guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.